Before we get into anything, I would like to thank all of you guys for 500 subscribers. I know there's not really a giant subscriber special or anything, and it's kind of late. It's been like, I don't know, a week already since I got 500 subscribers, but I just wanted to thank you guys for this accomplishment. I'm also going to be adding a difficulty system which helps people understand how hard the tutorial is and how much time they're going to be needing to put into this. So this tutorial is going to be about a medium. It's actually going to be easy for the first part, but the second part is going to be a little bit harder. So the first thing you want to do is create your boss bar. Simply just put in /bossbar, add, and whatever mob you want as the ID. Now I'm going to choose a zombie as my example boss, and what I'm just going to put is zombie. It could be even Enderman, whatever. It could be even custom. Whatever name you want. This is how you're going to edit the boss bar later. So what we're going to do is just going to add zombie, whatever name. And then we also have the display name. The display name is basically what you see on the Ender Dragon and the Wither on top of the boss bar. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to add 2 quotation marks, and then we're going to put in our name, what we want to see as the name. I'm just going to put zombie. When we add it, it says create custom bar zombie. So now that you create your boss bar, we need to see it. So what we're going to do is do boss bar set zombie and then players. And so players basically sets who is going to see this boss bar. I was going to put at A. And now on the top we see our boss bar. Right now it has regular zombie name and regular boss bar, like that. If you don't like how your boss bar looks, or you want to change it, there are a few options in boss bar set. So the first one is color. So if we do boss bar set Minecraft zombie color, you can change the color of the boss bar like that, as shown here. I'm gonna keep mine at green because the zombie has green. The next one is boss bar style. Now boss bar style basically shows the texture, I guess, of the boss bar. There's notch 10, notch 12, notch 20, and notch 6, and then there's progress. So each of them have their own textures. I'm just gonna keep mine at progress because that's how a normal boss bar looks like. And the last one is boss bar set Minecraft zombie name. Now basically what this does is it just changes the name up here, so we can always change it to something like Zombo or Zomb, like that. Now if you want your boss bar name to show the health of the boss as well, like this, changing the name won't be helpful as we're going to be overriding this existing name. Now that you have your boss bar set up, let's attach it to our boss. First, let's put a command block that summons the zombie. Now we're going to just do summon zombie, and then we're going to have to put it at specific chords. Depends on where you want it. I have this little arena down here. I'm just going to set block, and I'm going to paste this into my command block. So after you got your specific coordinates in, make a tag for it and call it boss. So now what we're going to do is we're going to set the maximum value of the boss bar. To do that, what we need to do is add a chain command block to our command block and do execute store results boss bar Minecraft zombie max run data get entity at E tag equals boss limit 1 health. To summarize this whole long command, basically it stores a value in this boss bar, and it stores the max health by getting the amount of health this boss already has. So now that we have the max value of the boss bar set, we need to make it so the boss bar actually sees how much health the zombie is at. And so what we're going to need is a repeating command block, a new chain. And what we're going to put in here is basically the same thing as this command block. We're going to copy the whole command and paste into here. The only thing that we're going to change is if you find max, we're going to change it to value. This basically does the same thing. It stores the value of the health of the zombie. So if the zombie's at 19, it'll store 19, 18, 18, 17, 17. And so if we always active this, and if we summon it, it instantly goes up, which is perfect. And if we get like a sword real quick, we stab this guy, you see that it goes down along with it. And it looks like it's at 0, but it's actually not. And there we go. What we need to do is we need to hide the boss bar when the zombie is dead. What we're going to do is we're going to detect if the zombie is alive by doing execute if entity at e tag equals boss, run bossbar set Minecraft zombie players at A. So now if the zombie is alive, all players will be able to see this bossbar. We're going to also add another one, execute unless entity at e tag equals boss, run bossbar set Minecraft zombie players, and that's it. And so now it instantly shuts off because there is no zombie anymore. And if we summon again, it shows up. And if we kill it again, it shuts off. Now this is basically your whole boss bar. It shows up when the zombie is summoned and disappears when the boss dies. Now if you want to go the extra step of showing how much health the boss has in your title, you'll need to add a scoreboard. And what we're going to do is scoreboard objectives, add health dummy. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get the zombie health and we're going to put it in our scoreboard. What we're going to do is execute as at e tag equals boss store result score at s health run data get entity at s health. So basically what this does is it executes as the boss and it stores its NBT health inside the scoreboard health. So now if we summon the boss and we do scoreboard objective set space sidebar health, we should see that there's a number 20 for the zombie. And if we kill it, or if we hit it, it changes, and then it changes again. So what we're going to do now is we're going to edit the title and put the scoreboard in. So what we're going to do is bossbar set Minecraft zombie name. And then what we're going to do is two square brackets and do curly brackets. And then 2 quotes and inside text outside colon another 2 quotes in and do zombie colon and space. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go outside the brackets, but inside the square brackets, do another comma, do 2 more curly brackets, and do 2 more quotes, score, and then outside, colon, and then another 2 curly brackets, and do another quotes, and do name, and outside the quotes, and do colon, and then do another quotes, and do at e tag boss limit 1. Outside of the quote, and then do comma, 2 more quotes, objective, and then another colon, and then 2 more quotes, and then do health. And then now what we're going to do is go all the way out to the square bracket, back 1 in, comma, 2 more curly brackets, do 2 more quotes, text, a colon, 2 more quotes, space HP. So what this should do is when we summon it, it says zombie 20 HP. So now if we kill it, it instantly shows how much health it is at, as well as the number of health points it is at. So now if you want to hide your scoreboard, if you showed it already, scoreboard objectives, set display sidebar, and that's it. When you summon it again, there is no sidebar right here. So that's basically it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps a lot. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.